Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a dot plot with Python and the stikpetP library. If you don't want to use my library, here's a video that does it without it. The Python version that I'm using is version 3.97, but it probably works on other versions as well. I'm using Jupyter Lab, but it probably works the codes on any other IDE as well. The type of dot plot that I'm referring to for a dot plot is something like this. So for categorical data, sometimes people want to use this only for numerical data, but it depends on whose definition you're actually using. To show you how it works, I need some example data, so I'm going to be using pandas to load in the data, so I can use the read CSV file function, and I'm loading in the general social survey data from 2012, slightly adjusted for the purposes of these examples. I'm not interested in the whole data set, only one field, the marital status, so MAR1, and to get a quick impression we can use the values counts, and we can see that we want to actually show the dots for these. And so for example 181 people selected the option widowed. Now, using my library, we can install it using GitHub. So please don't just do pip install and then only stikpetP. It really needs to come from my GitHub account. And then you can import it just as any other library. The function of interest is now visualization and then dot plot, so vi dot plot. And it only has two parameters, the data itself, and if you like you can set a dot size, which I'm going to use in this case because otherwise we have way too many dots, and I'm going to use 40. So each dot now represents 40 people, and it nicely shows, like for separated there were less than 40, or yeah, there were not enough for 2 dots, so it only shows 1. If you like, you can use the pyplot library as well, but that's more discussed in the other video. It takes a little bit longer to actually do that. Or you can use the Seaborn library that also can generate one of these plots, or use the strip plot function in there. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.